In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product template in Shopify. A product template controls how your product page looks to your customers. By creating your own template, you can customize the layout and then quickly apply that design to one or more products without rebuilding it every time. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage everything in your store. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where all of your themes and storefront settings live. Next, in the online store section, find your current theme and click on the option to edit or customize the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually adjust how your store looks. Once the theme editor is open, navigate to a product page inside the preview. You can do this by double-clicking on a product in the list or choosing a product from the preview options so that you're actually viewing a product page in the editor. This is important because templates are tied to specific page types. At the top of the editor, you'll see a drop-down that probably says Default Product. Click on that drop-down. When the menu expands, select Products, so you're specifically working with product templates. Just below Default Product, you should see an option that says Create Template. Go ahead and click that. A small window will appear asking you to name your new template. Choose a clear, descriptive name, especially if you plan to have different layouts for different product types, like coats layout or premium products. Once you've typed in the name, click on Create Template. Shopify will now create a new template based on the default product layout, which you can customize later if needed. Now that the template exists, exit the theme editor and go back to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Products. From the products list, click on the specific product you want to assign this new template to. Inside the product settings page, scroll until you find the theme template section. Here you'll see a drop-down that currently shows default product. Click that drop-down, and from the list, select the new template name you created earlier. Finally, click Save in the top or bottom corner of the page. Your product is now using the new template, and your customized layout will be applied to that product's page.